In this section of the project, we're looking at doing a revenue forecast. A financial year for business is typically broken into 4 quarters, um, and they do month or quarterly reports, so every 3 months. Um, they also do yearly reports. So we're going to be looking at some historical data, trying to figure out what to project for a projected. So on these first two, we're given quarters 1 through 3. We need to find quarter 4, then add it together to find the annual, and then again subtract the expenses to find the EBT. If you can see a pattern of continued growth or steady decline that you can predict what the next term is, you can fill that in. If you don't see anything that shows a predicted pattern, you can do an average of the quarters that are given to find your final result for your fourth quarter. So on both of these, you should be able to find a predicted pattern that would give you the fourth quarter in order to figure out the annual amount. On this one, you're given quarters 1 through 4, plus you know the previous year's um, results. You can use that. You'll also see looking at similar companies to find what their multiplier is. So when you do the bottom part, you know that the multiplier times the EBIT gets the valuation. So you need to find out what the multiplier is by working backwards there. You're going to find this individual's EBIT and then apply the multiplier that you found from the other 3 companies to get their valuation. Again, this one you look at the growth and it doesn't look like it's consistent and it doesn't look like it's going to stay that much, but you could use an average or you could predict based upon the annual. I think I would use an average and then look and adjust maybe for the annual. Some of these are not going to have exactly right or wrong answers. Parts of it will, but parts of it's going to be based upon how you do it. And if you can show how you do that, um, it'll be easier to look at and see what your thinking is.